Welcome back to another episode, family. Afro Senpai here. Today is the day we are finally unveiling the mystery posts that I've been doing on Instagram and Facebook. We are launching an event to get everybody comfortable being in the stock market. So here's what you do. Go to the website smileyab.com, link in the description. Once at the website, you're going to go to more. You're going to go to Financial Center. Scroll down, you see the picture that I've been using, and you're going to click here to register. For 1 year, I am hosting a game where everybody gets $5,000 of fake money to play with, but the stock prices are real. The market ups and downs will be real. So you're just going to be able to get comfortable buying and selling stock within the market. You just don't have to put down any of your own money. So continuing on, you're going to click here for registration. You can register with a Facebook account. If you don't want to do that, you can create a username. I'm naming myself Mr. Benchmark because I will be like the benchmark of the entire market. The only thing I will be investing in is the S&P 500. So if you beat me in the rankings, then that means you're doing better than the market. So create a password. Are you the instructor? No. Are you the student? Yes. Put in your date of birth. I'm just gonna put some random stuff down. March, and then I was born in 1950. Country, USA. Email address, you don't have to put an email address. You just can't retrieve your password if you happen to forget. All right, name. Do you currently own a brokerage account? Most people are going to say no, so I'll say no. If you do not currently own a brokerage account, do you plan on opening one in the next 12 months? Since we're playing this game and the game is going to last for a whole year, I'll just say no. I agree to the terms because I've read them, as everybody always does, and then they click on this. Oh, sorry. Please send me special. No, I don't want that. Get stuff from Morning Brew, which is a cool service I've heard, but I'm not going to do that. And then you have to just confirm that you're not a robot. And I have to look for the motorcycles. I'm glad robots haven't figured out how to do this yet. Alright, register. Boom, 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 and I'm in. Now, I'll do a couple videos to show you how to navigate through this, but pretty much it's make a trade, stock, and then you have access to whatever. But all of that is coming soon. I just wanted to show everybody how to register. So I'm going to log out here and then go to the host account to confirm that Mr. Benchmark is now in. All right, and Mr. Benchmark is here. And it's as quick and simple as that, folks. If you want to be in the stock market, if you see me posting about stocks and gains and losses, all that, and you've always been curious, but you're really super nervous about losing money, here is an opportunity. Get into the stock market, play with people. There might be some trash talking, but we're going to have fun. And with that, thank you guys for watching. Hope you had fun. Hope you learned something. See you in the game starting January 1st. And remember to smile because you are beautiful. Peace.